Assalamualaikum. My name is Sharifah Nasar Arwah binti Syed Muhammad Apandi. My student card number is 2024647278.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Nazira Adiba binti Nur Azhar and my student ID is 2024446782. Me and Nasuha will present study case 1 question A, B and C. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurin Akila binti Kamar Zaman and my student ID is 2024652704.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Adriana Nukashmina binti Azhan and my student ID is 2024653368.
Question A. Calculate the total interest charged for each bank. We are going to calculate these two interests with the formula of compound interest, which is S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket power by N. First, we're going to count the ABC bank. We are going to find the I first. I equals K per M. K is 0.0525 divided by M, which is 3. The answer would be 0.0178. Next, we are going to find the N. N equals M multiply T. M is 3 and T is 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. So now, we are going to fill the numbers in the formula. S equal 15,000 bracket 1 plus 0.0175 bracket power by 9. You will get the answer of 17,534 ringgit and 81 cent. Now, we are going to look for the interest. The formula for interest is I equals S minus P. We already get the S and we already got the P. So we just fill it in. I equals 17,534 ringgit with 81 cent minus 15,000. The answer for the interest would be 2,534 ringgit 81 cent. Next, we are going to find the interest for XYZ Bank. We start with the same formula of the compound interest. We are going to find the I and the N first. I equal K per M. K 0.0575 divided by M, which is 4, and the N is M multiply T, which is 4 multiplied 3 equal 12. Now, we're just going to fill the numbers in the formula. S equal 15,000 bracket 1 plus 0.0575 per 4 bracket power by 12. The answer for the S will be 17,802 ringgit and 20 cent. The formula for the interest is I equals S minus P. I equals 17,802 ringgit and 20 cent minus 15,000 ringgit. The answer would be 2,802 ringgit and 20 cent.
Hi, my name is Nazira Adiba and I'll continue presenting about study case 1 question B and C. For question B, which company should you choose to borrow the loan and give your receipt? And my answer is I will choose ABC Bank to borrow the loan because they charge more lower interest, which is only 2,534 ringgit and 81 cent compared to XYZ Bank, which is 2,802 and 20 cent. For question C, the question is, after 2 years, the bank changed the rate to 5% compounded semi-annually. How much should you pay at the end of 3 years? Calculate the total interest paid. First thing first, before we start our calculation, we can transfer the information about the bank that we choose, and since this question related to question A and B, so we can just transfer all information about ABC Bank to this slide. And from the question A, it said that the bank will compound every 4 months, which makes our M equal to 3, and the bank will charge 5.25%, and our K will be 0.05 to 5 since we transform it into decimal number. The time frame for the loan is 3 years, but when we look at the question back, it's after 2 years, and we'll explain later about that part. So we just minus 3, minus 1, and we got 2 years, and our C become 2. And to make our calculation more easier, we can just calculate I and N using the formula, using their own formula. Like I formula is K over M, which is 0.0525 over 3, and we got 0.0175 as the answer for I. And M is N formula is M multiplied with T, which is 3 multiplied with 2, and we got 6 for N answer. For the next formula, for the next information is we got all the information from question from question C. Since they said the bank will compound semi-annually, it's automatically make our M equal to 2, and our T will become 1 since the question since the question said after 2 years. Our K will become 0.05, and when we put and as I said before, we can calculate I and N for make our calculation more easier. So I equal to 0.05 over 2, and we'll got 0.025 as an answer, and N is 2 multiplied with 1, and we'll get 2 for the last answer for N. For the first step, we need to calculate for the first 2 years, and we'll be using compound interest formula, which is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I close bracket power with N. So our P will become 15,000 according to the question A, and in bracket 1 plus 0.0175, which is the answer for the I that we calculate above, close bracket power with 6, which is the answer for the N, and we'll got RM 16,645 ringgit and 54 cent. The next step, which is the second step, is we need to calculate for the last 1 year. We're still using the same formula, but we'll change the P into the new figure that we got from the first step, which is 16,644 ringgit and 54 cent. And in bracket, 1 plus 0.025 close bracket power with 2, and we got 17,488 ringgit and 22 cent. The last step is we need to calculate total interest paid. We'll be using formula I equal to S minus P. The S figure will be taken from the second step, and the P figure will be taken from the first step answer, which is 17,488 ringgit and 22 cent minus with 16,645 ringgit and 54 cent, and our final answer will be Rm 842 ringgit and 68 cent. For the first step, we need to calculate for the first 2 years, and we'll be using compound interest formula, which is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I close bracket power with N. So our P will become 15,000 according to the question A, and in bracket 1 plus 0.0175, which is the answer for the I that we calculate above, close bracket power with 6, which is the answer for the N, and we'll got Rm 16,645 ringgit and 54 cent. The next step, which is the second step, is we need to calculate for the last 1 year. We're still using the same formula, but we'll change the P into the new figure that we got from the first step, which is 16,644 ringgit and 54 cent. And in bracket, 1 plus 0.025 close bracket power with 2, and we got 17,488 ringgit and 22 cent. The last step is we need to calculate total interest paid. We'll be using formula I equal to S minus P. The S figure will be taken from the second step, and the P figure will be taken from the first step answer, which is 17,488 ringgit and 22 cent minus with 16,645 ringgit and 54 cent, and our final answer will be Rm 842 ringgit and 68 cent.
Study case 2, question A. Puan Ainun is going to retire soon. She has two choices. The first alternative is to accept the 2,500,000 ringgit gratuity and invest the whole amount in an account that pays 0.6% compound monthly. This way, she will get 8,500 ringgit every month until the account is empty. Joining a private retirement plan is another choice. Under this plan, she will get 8,500 ringgit every month for 24 years. Which option should Puan Ainun choose? For option 1, the formula used are shown. In this question, S is the future value, which is 2,500,000 ringgit. R is the periodic payment, which is 8,500 ringgit. I is the periodic interest rate, which is 0.006 divided by 12. N is the term of the investment / loan, which is 12T in this question. For option 1, the equation is 2,500,000 equals to 8,500 open bracket 1 plus 0.006 divided by 12 powered by 12T close bracket minus 1 divided by 0.006 divided by 12. Then it leaves 294.1176 equals to open bracket 1.0005 powered by 12T close bracket minus 1 divided by 0.0005. Then 0.1471 equals to 1.0005 powered by 12T minus 1. 1.1471 equals to open bracket 1.0005 close bracket powered by 12T. Log 1.1471 divided by log 1.0005 equals to 12T. Then it leaves 274.5426 divided by 12 equals to T. The final answer for T is 22.87, alias 23 years. For option 2, the calculation is 8,500 ringgit multiplied 12 months equals to 102,000. Then multiply it by 24 equals to 2,448,000. The answer is Puan Ainun should choose option 2 because it offers a longer term to receive money.
Case study 2, question B. After receiving her gratuity money, Puan Ainun is thinking of buying a new scooter for her daughter through an installment plan by making a down payment of 25% followed by equal monthly payment. She anticipates the scooter to cost Rm 13,850 and the interest charge is 4% compounded monthly. 1 Roman. Calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge. A is the present value or initial value. R is the periodic payment. I is the periodic interest rate. N is the term of the loan or investment. A colon 13850 times 25 per 100 equal to 3462.50. New A colon 13850 minus 3462.50 equal to Rm 10387.50. A equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket minus N bracket per I. 10387.50 equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.04 per 12 bracket minus 60 bracket per 0.04 per 12 R equal to Rm 191.30. The I equal to NR minus A. So I equal to 60 bracket 191.30 bracket minus 10387.50. I equal to Rm 1090.50. 2 Roman. If she wants to settle the entire loan immediately after paying the 30 monthly payment, how much additional does she have to make and how much interest is paid? So the calculation is n equal to 60 minus 30 equal to 30. A equal to r bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket minus n bracket per I. The calculation is A 30 equal to 191.30 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.04 per 12 bracket minus 30 bracket per 0.04 per 12 equal to RM 5452.74. I equal to NR minus A. So I equal to 30 bracket 191.30 bracket minus 5452.74, and we got the answer I equal to RM 286.26. Third Roman. If she has not paid her first 5 monthly payment, how much should she pay on her 6th payment to settle all outstanding areas? S is the future value or accumulated amount. R is the periodic payment. I stand for periodic interest rate, and N stand for term of the loan or investment. So the calculation is S equal to R bracket 1 plus I bracket N minus 1 bracket per I. S 6 equal to 191.30 bracket 1 plus 0.04 per 12 bracket 6 minus 1 bracket per 0.04 per 12. S6 equal to RM 1157.41.